Hello, bitches! Today, we're going to make a kimchi fried rice and crispy tofu. Ayan, may voiceover na. First, we need a steamed rice. So, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ang tamang pagsasaing. Char, of course, dapat alam nyo na yan mga day. Pero ito na yung video. So, ayan, hugasan ng bigas, ilagay sa rice cooker, takpan, at ibaba para maluto. O ayan kami, may free advertisement na ha. Charing! So while we're waiting for our rice to cook, we're gonna do na our crispy, creamy, and garlicky tofu. Ayan. So I usually put a measuring spoon on my pan to check my focus of my camera. Ayan, may pamanok. Then maglagay na tayo ng mantika. Yes, the same spoon I used to check my focus. So let's heat our pan hanggang umusok. Then let's fry na our tofu. Ayan, nalikit na naman. Pero hindi ko alam na ganyan kasi hiniram ko lang siya sa kapitbahay. Pero put everything na lang sa pan para maluto lahat. If you notice, my tofu has red color kasi I put some paprika, salt, and pepper na. O diba, nanikit na lahat! Pero guys, cook the tofu until it turns to golden brown. Hindi yung sunog. Pero kakain ko pa rin yan, honestly. In the same pan you use in frying your tofu, just add another 1 tablespoon of oil. O diba, decide pa kung ilalagay ko lahat. Put the garlic, ground sesame seeds, or dinikdik na linga, and our tofu, at ang ating non-dairy milk. And mix well to combine everything at hanggang matuyo. Ayan, luto na ang ating rice. Next is our kimchi rice. So, ayan, I'm using a non-stick pan na. Thanks to my cousin talaga na lagi nagpaparam ng gamit niya. O, ayan, I put less oil na. I bought this homemade kimchi from my colleague a week ago. It's honestly a bit gingery to me. That's why I put some onions to balance the taste. Pero masarap naman talaga siya. And then, ang ating sinaing. O, diba, ang perfect na pagkasaing ko. Kaya guys, boys, alam niyo na. Char! Onion leeks to add color and flavor. And of course, our salt and pepper. And just continue mixing your fried rice. I honestly want mine toasted, kaya patatagan ko pa siya ng onte. And it's plating time! I will use lang the pan I use for cooking since maganda naman siya. So I will add more onion leeks, sesame seeds, and of course, kimchi. So ayan, we're done. So syempre hindi natin pwede sirain kasi pipicturean pa natin siya. So here's our beautiful and definitely delicious kimchi fried rice and crispy tofu. I hope you guys enjoyed this video at nakatulong kahit paano. My next video will be about tips on food photography using only our mobile phones. Syempre, not everyone naman has a high-tech camera and lighting equipment. That's why I'm going to share the simple and helpful techniques on how to take good food photos. Bye!